If Earth had rings similar to Saturn, it would indeed be a spectacular sight, dramatically altering both the landscape and the sky. Let's explore the scientific implications and visual effects of such a scenario. Earth's rings would likely be composed of ice, rock, and dust particles, similar to Saturn's rings. The formation could be the result of a collision with a celestial body, or the remnants of a moon that got too close and was torn apart by tidal forces. The presence of rings would affect Earth's gravitational field, although not dramatically. The gravitational effects on tides might be more pronounced, leading to more complex tidal patterns. The rings would cast shadows on the Earth's surface, creating unique day-night variations. Depending on the angle of the sun, the shadows could be long and pronounced or short and subtle. The sky would showcase a prominent ring system, especially during dawn and dusk. The rings would reflect sunlight, creating a dazzling display in the night sky. Sunsets and sunrises would be even more breathtaking, with the sun's light scattering through the particles in the rings, producing a myriad of colors. The rings would likely create a halo effect around the sun. Observing celestial events such as solar and lunar eclipses would become more intricate. The rings could interact with the shadows cast during these events, potentially altering the appearance of the eclipses. The rings could obstruct the view of certain celestial objects, making it necessary for astronomers to adapt their observations. The presence of rings might affect the orbits of satellites, necessitating adjustments in satellite technology and planning. The rings would likely become a cultural symbol, influencing art, literature, and mythology. They might be integrated into folklore and religious narratives. The unique celestial display could boost space tourism, attracting people eager to witness Earth's ring system. Specialized observation platforms and tours could become popular. Scientists and researchers would be eager to study the composition and dynamics of Earth's rings. Missions could be launched to explore and better understand this newfound celestial feature. While the idea of Earth having rings akin to Saturn is fascinating, it's important to note that such a scenario would involve significant changes in the planet's history and geology. Nevertheless, the imagination of such a scenario allows us to appreciate the beauty and complexity of our universe.